Integrating Apple Pay on iPhone is a straightforward process that allows users to make secure and convenient payments with their device. To get started, ensure your iPhone is compatible with Apple Pay and that you have a supported credit or debit card from a participating bank. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone, which can be found on the home screen. If you can't find it, swipe left until you see the app library and look for the Wallet app under the Finance and Shopping section. Next, tap the plus sign in the top right corner of the screen to begin the process of adding a card. You will be prompted to select the type of card you want to add, such as a credit or debit card. Choose the correct option and then take a photo of your card or enter the card details manually. After adding your card, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of Apple Pay. Your bank may also ask you to verify your identity and confirm that you want to add the card to Apple Pay. This is a security measure to ensure that the card is being added by the legitimate owner. Once your card is verified, you can start using Apple Pay to make payments. To do this, hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal and authenticate the transaction with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. You will see a confirmation on the screen when the payment has been made successfully. In addition to making in-store payments, Apple Pay can also be used to make online purchases. When checking out on a website or in an app, look for the Apple Pay button and tap it to select your card and complete the transaction. To manage your cards and settings in Apple Pay, open the Wallet app and tap on the card you want to view or edit. From here, you can see your transaction history, remove the card from Apple Pay, or update your card information. Best practices for using Apple Pay include keeping your iPhone and card information up to date, monitoring your transaction history regularly, and being aware of your surroundings when making payments. By following these steps and tips, you can use Apple Pay with confidence and enjoy the convenience and security it provides.